Web3 TV.
Hello and welcome to Web3 TV. I'm Lisa Amnegard, and today we're at the Dubai AI Festival. And joining me right now is Karim Dakki, CEO of Klaim.ai. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you, Lisa, for having me.
And how's the day been so far?
The day is great. We have the opportunity to be a part of this event where we can show how AI is helping, our client, but also see what others are doing in the field, because this is a fast-moving industry. And more importantly, it's great to be part of this event because Dubai is an international hub. It's an innovation hub, and AI is part of it. So as being part of it and being in Dubai give us further exposure, and we're excited to be part of it.
Yeah, Dubai's ambition, or the UAE's ambition, is to become a global leader in AI. And it's so exciting to see so many companies here today, all improving various industries. And you are also playing a huge role in that. And you're taking on a very challenging task of combating the financial aspect in healthcare, or more specifically, fintech in healthcare. So can you explain to me what that means?
So AI is a universal tool that can be applied in multiple sectors to solve multiple challenges. So the question is, which industry and which challenge to solve in particular? We picked up healthcare because this is an area where there's immense number of applications for healthcare and can save lives. But more specifically on the money part of healthcare, which very often people don't see.
What have been the challenges there?
So the main challenge, and this is very unique to healthcare, is that the money flow is not necessarily going from the consumer of the service to the delivery of the person who delivers the service. So in this case, from the patient to the doctor. Actually, the money flow is coming from the insurance to the doctor of the patient. And that creates a lot of complexities. So healthcare providers have to rely on the insurance of the patients to be paid, but they don't know when this payment is going to happen and how much of that is going to happen. So imagine you have fixed installment, for instance, the payroll on the 28th or 29th at the end of the month, and then you don't know whether or not this money is going to come. So this is the kind of challenges that we are solving with our solutions.
And I know that you've kind of also diving into the insurance side of healthcare. So how is AI helping this area of healthcare?
So if you are putting yourself on the insurance side, definitely there is a need to have AI to automate the volume of information and processing that they have to do to give an answer back to the patient or to the doctors or to the clinic very quickly. Our clients are not insurance companies, but there are AI solutions that tackle this particular problem. In our case, we focus more on the doctor, and we see additional solutions whereby we can help your doctor become more efficient in taking the notes, in seeing mistakes in the notes, in being able to produce these notes into a medical claim so that they can be paid faster. So this is the kind of problems that we are more focusing on using AI. More broadly, I think in healthcare there are a crazy number of applications when it comes to AI. So we see more and more diagnosis tools that can help the doctor minimize the mistakes, make decisions faster, be able to see more patients more reliably. And ultimately, this is good for reducing the cost of care as the population is aging over time.
Yeah, I mean, the healthcare industry is where AI has immense potential. And when it also comes to technology, AI, innovation. So if we look beyond the payments sector in healthcare, where do you see AI having the most use?
So imagine this use case. Today you go to the doctor, and then you start talking to the doctor, telling them what's the reason you came for. They start typing on their software. Tomorrow you can go to the doctor, and the doctor starts having a conversation with you like what we're having right now. And then behind the scenes, the AI is doing all the work of capturing the information and then telling the doctor, or maybe speaking at the same time as a doctor, telling the patient, by the way, what about this? Did you suffer from this? And request additional information from the patient live while everything is happening behind the scene automatically. So I think this is something that we started working on, and is going to be the future, for people very soon.
Yeah, I think believe so too. And you're based here in Dubai, as I believe, right?
Yes.
So why have you chosen Dubai as a place to run your business when it comes to using AI?
I mean, I moved in Dubai 15 years ago, and I started working in a financial industry before. And Dubai has done a tremendous job at making this is a happy place to live in. So it's very difficult to leave Dubai. And obviously, as my career progressed, I saw the opportunity to solve this challenging problem in healthcare. And and everything was made easy for me to start. So it was a natural choice for me to stay here and then build the business from here and expand from here to the rest of the world.
Yeah, and especially healthcare. I mean, it's a couple $1 billion industry here in the UAE, but also $1 trillion industry, several $1 trillion industry in the rest of the world. So, so what is your mission, your end goal for Klaim.ai?
So we already see a lot of applications when it comes to administrative part of healthcare and how we can streamline that. We have expanded into Saudi. We just did a fundraising round recently of $26 million. We are working on a couple of opportunities to finance the supply chain of pharmaceuticals in Morocco. I've been exploring the US market. So really, it's a busy time. It's a very exciting time.
It's very exciting. Well, thank you so much for speaking with me. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you, Lisa, and thank you, Web3, for having me. Thank you.
And we'll be bringing you more interviews, so make sure to stay tuned. I'm Lisa Amnegard, and you're watching Web3 TV.
Web3